we have issue with the stuck downpipe. The catch is melted, same as has happened in my SQ7. This is from SQ7. They're a little bit damaged too, but still usable. I'm gonna use this for now. I'm gonna pull the original out and I'm gonna make it nice one with the Gen 2 Genesis cats, which is rated 1000 to the each side. So for time being, I'm gonna use those ones, Chinese brand, cheap ones, 200 cells, which is melted too with the stage 1. I just want to make a video how to change this the way I'm doing in my parking lot. I'm using those kind of stuff. This is plenty heights to work underneath of the car. So I'm gonna give you basic stuff, what needs to be done. We're gonna keep these clamps for the last. We're gonna untie the first bolt, the first 3 bolts, 6 actually total, on the downpipe, which is a little bit tough to get to it. So the first thing ever you do, use VW40, spray hell out of it, the flange, the nut, the thread, whatever piece of the thread sticking out of the nut, spray it, wait a little bit, 5 minutes, spray it again, wait a little bit, third time spray it, and then you start work on it. So this helps a lot. Make sure you do that. So let's go underneath the car. I'll show you what needs to be done. So we gotta start pulling out this side first, and then this one side is gonna come out easily because we got more room to play with. Same thing, we gotta put it back together. This side first, and this is the last one. So in case to do that, we're gonna take the bolts off. I mean, not. It's a 12mm bolt. 1 second. Focusing. Come on. 1 second. It's not focusing. So the flange is right there. Let me see. I can focus here. So the flange is. It's right there. The first bolt. You can get it from here. From this side, I don't even take it. The shield off, so you can get it from here with the long extension, 12mm with this wheel. The nut in the bottom over there, it's really hard to get to it, and in the top as well, the right corner over there. So this one you can take it from down here, and those two on the right corner, we gotta come on the side over here. So we gotta take this shield off. You see this little shield right here? You got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, in the corner somewhere. Oh, it's right there, right there. And then the 10mm nut in the top over here. So you take this, pull the shit out, and you have access to the actually downpipe right there. And you have access to downpipe mount. So we have to take the mount spring over there of the downpipe. That way we can move around easily everything and pull the cats out. So let's do that. Let me pull the shield off first and I'll make another video. Alright, we just pulled this one out. See, there is no shield. The shield is right here. So somebody's have fun on the highway. So as you can see, this is the downpipe. You can get to this bolt now, and you can get to the second one too. Just put your arm in there with the little key for 12mm, and that's it. And this one right here, where is it? This one right here, that's exhaust support, whatever, hanger. So you can take this bolt out, and the exhaust is gonna be flexed, so you can pull it out easily, downpipe. So same thing you gotta do on the other side. You have to take this off, then you can move around the stuff. All right, let's do this one now. All right, so as you see, I was able to take all the nut from the downpipe from this side. and the exhaust is loose. See, it's moving. I take the bolt from here. All the nuts is out of the downpipe, and we're gonna able to move if we need to. Okay, let's go up and take the downpipe off. Oh, by the way, yeah, you have to take the shield off from transmission side and engine side. This makes life more easy. I said in the middle of the video that you may have to, but yeah, you definitely have to, so your arm can easily get into the downpipe and unscrew the 12 mils nut from the downpipe. So yeah, take the shields off. It's a little bit better for you. All right, let's go here. So that's it. Take the rear O2 sensor out, break loose the clamp, V-band clamp, and that's it. It should be able to move around. Let's see. Alright, O2 sensor is out, clamp is out, everything is loose. Now we're gonna be able to take it out. Just need to put a ladder here, a small ladder, and get it on the top of the engine. On the driver's side, actually I was able to do it everything from here with the long extension and wheel 12 mils. That's the last nut. I have to take it out right there. And yeah, you may don't have to go on the side over here. Let me see if I'm gonna able to pull it out the downpipe without removing the hanger, because I need some space to move the second downpipe. If I'm gonna able to pull it out, then we're good. You don't have to open up this heat shield on the driver's side, only passenger side, because it's hard to get to the nut, untie the downpipe. All right, let's pull it out the downpipe, see if it's gonna work. If not, then I have to lose the hanger over here too. All right, second one is out, so you can move it. You see this one has got beat up a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. Now we can move to this side and pull it out, this one and then the other one. Okay, let's try. Okay, all right, so this is SQ7 downpipe and they not work. It's a little bit different piping, late and angle, so I was hoping it's gonna fit, but fortunately not. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have any other, so this cat looks good, not bad, but that one got beat up a little bit. It's a two section of the cat's catalysis. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this one out, the first one, and I'm gonna keep the second one. So I'm gonna do that one too. I guess we will see how long it's gonna last until I gotta get all the material. Probably I gotta make it custom one. That sucks. I was hoping to, like, visually they was looking almost same, but not. All right, let's break this one up, because I can't leave a car with this kind of cat. It's just too much restriction, and it's gonna be problem overheating the cylinder. So pull this one out, keep the second one out. See, the second one is gonna be a little bit farther, so maybe it's gonna be less EGT and gonna last a little bit longer than this one. Let's do it. All right, I pull it out the first piece of the catalysis, whatever. Got it with Soza carefully to not damage the other piece. So yeah, let's see if this one is gonna do any work. Pretty much it's gonna be further back, which is give you the probably less EGT, less chance to melt the cats. All right, yeah, that one was melted a little bit. I think I'm missing like half of the piece, maybe not even half, less. All right, let's do the other one too. Modification. So downpipe installer back, the stock one, I got it, half of it. I guess let's start the engine, see what kind of sound will be. Okay, we got check engine light, of course, because I deleted the cats. So here's the thing. This is the third, fourth, fifth gear pull. It's really hot outside. Outside is today 35 ambient, 35. Port injector is doing a wonderful job. So we start from 47 mat, which is intake air temperature. Boost is in the point. Third gear, spike to 1 bar and hold like close to 3 bar, 1.9. Ignition is 15.5 the peak. Injector time is perfect. It spikes to 8 and then holds and then pulling a lot of fuel out because the port injector is active. So this is the third gear. Keep going. Low pressure fuel pump is keeping up because this is E50. I dropped a little bit. If I go E60, it starts dropping really bad. And this is the fifth gear. And the mat is, what is it? 64. It's already getting hot. I mean, it's not bad. There is no power loss. Car just keep pulling. So I have boost and everything. That looks good too. G acceleration 0.7. It's pretty damn fast for this weather. So that means it could be almost 8 in the winter time. And it's probably got 2.9, 4.2. As usually I have 4.2 by end of the third gear. Looks everything good. So we still have like stock cats. Just we take the one section out. The sound is really quiet though. Now it's in a dynamic mode. Yeah, dynamic. So wife's not gonna complain. That's good. Okay, let's see how long the second part of the cat is gonna last. All right, see you guys.